Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this GP520 projector plus tabletop stand plus free carry case bundle, then please visit the link provided in the description. The GP520 Projector Bundle is a complete package for anyone looking to enhance their viewing experience without complicated setups or high costs. Out of the box, the bundle includes the GP520 projector, a convenient tabletop stand, and a protective carry case, giving you everything needed for a portable and versatile home theater solution. The projector itself has a sleek and modern design with a matte finish that looks premium while remaining durable. Its compact size makes it easy to position anywhere, and the tabletop stand ensures precise projection without requiring additional mounts or adjustments. The included carry case adds portability, letting you take your home cinema experience anywhere without worry. Performance-wise, the GP520 delivers crisp 1080p visuals with bright, vivid colors and solid contrast. The image quality holds up well even in rooms with some ambient light, offering clear detail across movies, shows, or gaming content. Watching anything from cinematic films to high-speed video games is smooth, thanks to a responsive display and minimal lag. The projector's focus adjustment and zoom control allow fine-tuning, giving flexibility for different screen sizes and distances. Audio is impressive for a built-in system. Dual speakers provide clear, balanced sound, making it sufficient for casual viewing or outdoor use. While external speakers can enhance the cinematic feel, the onboard audio ensures immediate, hassle-free enjoyment. Connectivity options are extensive. Dual HDMI ports, USB, AV, and audio output make it easy to connect consoles, laptops, streaming sticks, and other devices. Screen mirroring from smartphones and laptops works reliably, so this projector can also double as a presentation tool when needed. The keystone correction feature ensures the projected image stays properly aligned even if the projector is placed at an angle. This, combined with height-adjustable tabletop stand and quiet cooling system, ensures uninterrupted, high-quality viewing sessions without distraction. In practice, projecting a 100-inch screen is immersive and cinematic. The image remains consistent, sharp, and vibrant throughout, with minimal noise from the fan, even during extended sessions. Gaming performance is also strong, with fast HDMI input response and smooth visuals suitable for casual play. The bundle stands out for its completeness and practicality. You're not just getting a projector but a ready-to-use setup including a table stand for perfect positioning and a carry case for portability. It's ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, backyard movie nights, or travel-friendly entertainment. Overall, the GP520 Projector Bundle offers excellent value for anyone seeking a combination of performance, portability, and ease of use. It's bright, clear, and user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for home entertainment or small-scale presentations. With everything included in the bundle, setup is hassle-free and immediate. If you're looking to upgrade your viewing experience, check the link in the description to get the GP520 Projector plus Tabletop Stand plus free carry case bundle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed tech reviews, insights, and hands-on guides.